channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Valorant stuck on loading screen fix guide. So guys, perform a basic system and the game start. A simple restart can often resolve the temporary software glitches and clear temporary conflicts. Completely close the Valorant game client and Riot clients and restart your entire computer to refresh your system process. Once your PC restarts, open the Riot clients and right click on the Valorant shortcut for executable. Select Run as the administrator to launch the game and monitor if Valorant now loads past the stuck screens. Then verify game files and reinstall the Vanguard. So corrupted game files or a improper install Vanguard anti-cheat can prevent Valorant from launching. Open the Riot client and navigate to the Valorant game page and click on the setting gear icon in the top right corner. Select the option of repair from the drop down menu to verify game files. Allow the repair process to complete, which may be download the missing files. If the issue persists, open your add or remove program in Windows settings and find and uninstall the Riot Vanguard from the list. Then restart your computer after uninstalling the Vanguard and launch the Valorant. It will automatically prompt you to reinstall Vanguard. Then update your graphic driver and the OS. So guys, outdated graphic drivers and the old operating system can cause the compatibility issues leading to the loading and screen freezing. Identify your graphics and card manufacturer. Open your graphic driver utility and check for and install the latest available graphic. Alternatively, visit the manufacturer website to download the latest newest driver and open the Windows setting and navigate to update and security. Then click the option of check for the update and install any pending window update and restart your PC after installing any driver or the system update. Then guys, adjust network setting and the firewall. For adjusting the network setting in the firewall, first of all open and search Window Defender Firewall with the advanced security. Click on allow on app features through the Window Defender firewall and ensure your Valorant and Riot Vanguard are checked for both private and public network. If not, click and change setting, then allow the another app to add them. Open network connection and cpa.cpl in the control panel. Then right click your active network adapter and select the properties. Then guys, select internet protocol version TCP and IPv4 and click the option of properties. Then choose and use the following DNS server addresses. After that, manage background process and the game mode. Conflicting background application or game mode and interface with the Valorant performance. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open the task manager. Go to the option of process tab and identify any resource heavy application. Select unnecessary application and click the option of end task. Then open Windows setting and go to the option of gaming. Select game mode and toggle it off and go to the option of graphics setting under the game section and click the option of browse and add the Valorant executable. Then select the Valorant and click the option and set it to the high performance. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.